ready. Now that I have your attention, let's make some chocolate chip brown butter cookies.
You're gonna be needing cake flour, all-purpose flour, sea salt, chocolate chips, unsalted butter, vanilla, baking soda, baking powder, sugars, and eggs.
So for the first step, we're gonna melt our butter.
Drop your butter.
Now the butter is brown, so we're gonna just pour it into the mixing bowl. And we're gonna be adding the brown sugar, granulated sugar. Now mix away. Now we're done mixing the sugars with the melted butter. You're gonna set it aside to cool. Do not mix the dry ingredients together. Now that we have the butter browned, set, and cooled off with the sugar mix inside, we're going to be adding 3 eggs. But technically, you're going to be needing 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Make sure it's in room temperature too. Now we're going to be mixing 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to be adding all the dry ingredients.
Now we're going to be adding all-purpose flour, cake flour, baking powder and baking soda, and sea salt.
Alright, let's put the ingredients in. Now we're going to be adding the dry ingredients into the mix, but do it slowly, or else it'll get messy. Let's do it. So I did a mix of milk and dark chocolate because why not? You can actually do this cookie mix without the machine. I just do it because I have a machine, so let's mix it. Now that the mix is completed, leave the mix in the fridge for at least 1 hour up until 24 hours. You can pre-scoop the cookie dough that you have already in the fridge, then put it in a Ziploc bag because it's easier to mold that way. Freeze it. Trust me, it tastes so much better when you freeze it, and then put it in the oven for 350 for 9 minutes. Then you set it on the mat for an additional 15 minutes until it's ready to eat.
Now roll up your cookie dough since an hour has passed.
Now that we have the cookie dough pre-scooped and ready to go in the oven, make sure the oven's at 350. You're going to bake it for 9 minutes, but if you want it to be a little bit more crispier, you can bake it for 14. Cookies are ready. This is one of my favorite recipes, so enjoy.